Hello, everyone. I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold for tomorrow, 7th of 7th, July the 7th, 2023. We are expecting some heavy impact news tomorrow. So let's recap what was done today. You can see there was heavy impact news we had. Right. We had an IDP non-farm employment change, and that was very positive. Um, and market reacted to it, and gold went down because the dollar went up, and unemployment claims that was slightly negative, not much. So this positive news took more action because it was more effect of this news. This news had more effect, and we had ISM services PMI that was positive, and the jobs openings that was negative. That's not much of a difference than previous, but however, overall market was positive because of this heavy impact news. And we know the market went very well to the downside. As you can see here as well, market reacted to this positive news. And we had very good trades today. And now for tomorrow, the 7th, which is this forecast is for, we have CAD 130 very high impact news. Then that may affect the gold as well as we got average hourly earnings and non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. They can affect the market very heavily. All the dollar pairs and hence the gold. Let's see. Actual greater than forecast good for currency. So at the moment, forecast is same. So if it's greater, then it can affect the currency positively, and the gold negatively. Okay. And the bureau, okay. Next one, non-farm employment, actual greater than forecast good for. Okay. If it's greater, it will affect positively the currency and negatively the gold. And unemployment, actually less than forecast. Okay, if it's less than forecast, then it is good for currency. So let's see. Let's see what happens. Dixie in 1 hour coming down, but event shoot up before because of the news, as you can see. Then now it's coming down, and gold went overall for the day. It came down, as you can see. So what is next? We have good levels here. Market can come to this level, and this is the previous level. And if this is broken, this is the next level, 1886. Sorry. So we got 1886, 1890, 93. And we got, this is the next level. It's a daily chart. And these are the next levels in daily. Going to 4 hour, and this is end of week as well. So if you see weekly side of the things, then if you can see that market is bearish and we can expect the downward movement. If it's a huge sell, it can come up to this level, around 1850 level. But let's see how the market reacts to the news. Yeah, 18 in for a daily, you can say 1857, and in daily 1847 level we have. So these are definite. These are the levels for selling. However, for buying, we've got these levels. These are daily levels, and it looks like the market will come down. However, if it's moved to the upside, we'll take buy trades. A trader finds opportunity, doesn't matter which way the market goes, whether it's a sideways or it's buy or sell. Traders always find opportunity. So today market went around 1900. So it's very highly likely that it will break this level, 1900 level tomorrow, and reach this 1893 level, and possibly more to the downside, depending on the news. And also, news don't always rely on the news, because news results may not affect the market in the same way. It may be a opposite effect sometimes. So always use best technical analysis, and just take some profit and make sure you book some profit before you leave the rest of the trades running or putting new trades. Best way is it take most of the profit, 10-20 profit, depending on the news and the trade. And if you comfortable, just take with the technical analysis and probabilities, then you can take further trades, probably smaller size depending on the situation. So that's it for the news side of it, and how to trade on news. You probably got the idea how to trade on news on this video as well. Just want to add some more thing. When you take a trade on news, make sure you see the direction which you see the data, which way market is heading. Sometimes market goes both ways, so you have to be very careful about that. So that's what I'm saying. Always take some profit, and then if you're comfortable, if your technical analysis, your judgment, probabilities are good on technical analysis, then take further action. I hope this is helpful, and we going to Dixie, we can expect further. Dixie is showing move to the downside, but you never know. Even it's showing move to the downside in 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily. Yeah, in daily it might go to the upside. As you can see, there's a daily trend here. This channel is making, and so it's possible that it will go to the upside. And tomorrow is Friday as well, so we'll see the weekly situation. What can the weekly is upward direction, so it's highly likely that it go to this high, which is this level here. So currently market at this level. So if it can go to the downside or to the upside. So that's it for now. I hope this is helpful, and you have a good day. Good night. Thank you. Bye-bye.